Here we are at the Mayo camping site near Carsington Water. We're in a year-old tent, not used it very much obviously because of lockdown. We've got a Berghaus 4XL. All nicely set up on this site today. Mrs. Mayo there just pottering. So at the front of the tent, the porch, we put a matting down there. If we go and have a look inside, not much to see really. Come away quite lightweight today. It's got a cooking utensils there, a fridge, got our own carpet in there, just another cabinet. Bedroom. We've got the wife's bed there. Obviously mine over to that side. It's all like a black mesh in here, so it's actually quite cool in there compared to out here because it's quite warm. But again, that's what you want when you want to come away. I do believe it's going to get really cold tonight. But hey, Arctic trains as they say. This is the side we're at. Very nice site, very well maintained and kept. We're the only tent on site today. And we're on this side, although there is toilets on site, we have set our own toilet up. And as you can see, it costs too much. Got the toilet quite cheap. Box, and then obviously as always need a few beers, don't you? And good morning on day 2 here at Carsington Fields. Bit of a chilly night, however obviously when you're in your sleeping bag and all the proper equipment, it's quite toasty warm. As you can see, look, got condensation on the tent this morning. Been up, washed, brushed teeth, and now we're going to have breakfast out in the wilderness.